Maalon.
Kosher rice, sleep na. Pato. Pato says, good night, Andrea. Pato says, good night, Andrea. Sleep tight. Good night, Pato. Good night, sleep
Big cloudy.
ang weather po sa Pilipinas ay
Cloudy.
31. Kalbo na yung mundo ko yun.
Nasaan? Oo nga, no?
Kita mo?
Bumababa. Sa 5,000 siguro tayo, no? 5,000 din. Ano ba? Medyo bababa na kami.
and gentlemen, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Manila. We are now taxiing to Isling at Terminal 3 for your proper and safe disembarkation. On behalf of your flight and crew, head by Captain Viahar with First Officer Meliton, Major Flight Captain Mia, Lady, and Heish, I'm Kat, thanking you for making Cebu Pacific Air your airline of choice.
Mas mahirap ako.
Maligayang pagdating sa Maynila, nalapag po lamang natin sa paliparan pagdating na Ninoy Aquino. Tayo po ipatungo ngayon sa NAIA Terminal 3 para sa inyong maayos na pagbaba. Sa kapila ng bubuo ng lipad na ito na pinangunahan ni Kapitan Viahar, sa tulong ng Official Mediton kasama ng inilukod ng cabin crew na si Mia, Lady at Heish, ako po si Kat, ito po sinagpapasalamat sa pagtangkid at pagsakay ninyo sa Cebu Pacific Air. For guests on the connecting flights on Cebu Pacific, you are advised to proceed to the Cebu Pacific Transfer Desk located at the arrival hall, or you may approach any of the ground personnel upon disembarkation. Para sa mga panauhing connecting flights Cebu Pacific, mangyari po lamang na magtungo sa transfer desk o lumapit sa aming ground personnel sa inyong pagbaba.
Your safety is of primary importance to us, so please remain seated with your seat belts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. Please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before you get your bags or use the lavatory. Exercise caution when opening the overhead bins, as the items inside might have been dislodged or shifted during aircraft movement. Before deplaning, please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintaying matanggal ang babalang pagkabit ng sinturong pangkaligtasan bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. May we remind guests with infants that the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. Kindly leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket. Please be advised that the unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a criminal offense. As a safety precaution, please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before standing up to get your bags. In the interest of safety, guests are advised to walk through designated areas at the ramp as directed by the ground personnel. You are prohibited to walk under the aircraft wings, and please refrain from taking pictures at the ramp due to the busy ground service.